Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Honda Pilot navigation system. Keeping your navigation system current is essential for accurate directions, traffic information, and the latest points of interest. These updates provide new road data and improved functionality, enhancing your overall driving experience. We'll walk through the simple steps to ensure your system is always up to date, making your travels smoother and more reliable. Before starting, it's important to prepare. First, check your current map version in your vehicle's infotainment system settings. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage, formatted to FAT32, as this is the format Honda systems recognize. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection for downloading the necessary update files to your computer. Next, visit the official Honda Navigation Update website or use the Honda Link app to download the latest map updates. Once downloaded, transfer these files to your prepared USB drive. Then, insert the USB drive into your Honda's infotainment system USB port. The system should recognize the drive and prompt you to begin the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. During the update, it's crucial not to turn off your vehicle or remove the USB drive, as this can cause the update to fail. The installation process can take up to 1 hour, depending on the file size and your system's speed. Once the update is complete, the system will notify you. Remove the USB drive and restart your infotainment system to finalize the new map data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.